Friends, are you looking for a unique and low investment business idea with high market potential? Then today's video is going to be very special for you because in today's video we are going to tell you how you can make money from waste products. Yes friends, the name of that business is the eggshell powder manufacturing business. In this eggshell powder, calcium carbonate is found in large quantities. Yes, on an average from 94% to 98%. You can see calcium carbonate in it. Apart from this, from 3% to 5% protein can be found, and in the remaining 1%, rich minerals like magnesium, potassium, iron, sulfur, and phosphorus can be found. So it is used in many industries. Globally, it's already a multi-million-dollar industry, and in India, the domestic market is estimated to grow beyond 300 crore annually, with rising demand in health supplements and organic farming. You will be surprised to know that the eggshell powder market in India is growing steadily. So by starting this eggshell powder manufacturing business, you can earn a lot of money. Come, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market opportunity. First, let's talk about the market opportunity. As we have already mentioned, eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate, which is why they are widely used in calcium supplements, dental care products, pet food, animal feed, cosmetics, biodegradable plastics, and fertilizers. Apart from that, farmers prefer it for organic farming, and the pharmaceutical industry uses it in the production of tablets. Due to this, the demand for shell powder has increased in the global market. Yes, the market size of a shell powder is $1.44 billion in 2024, and it is expected to reach $2.80 billion by 2032. So friends, you can guess the growth rate here. Also, this makes it a powerful opportunity for new entrepreneurs. So you can enter this market by offering high-quality eggshell powder with proper certificates at competitive prices. And you can also cater to industries that produce eco-friendly products. Required space for business. While setting up this eggshell powder manufacturing unit, it is very important to choose the right location for smooth operations and cost effectiveness. Therefore, it is best to choose a location near poultry farms, hatcheries, bakeries, or egg food manufacturing companies as it is affordable and easy to get. As for the space required, for a small scale unit, you will need about 500 to 800 square feet of space. It can be set up in a semi-urban or even rural area. The facility should have adequate ventilation, a clean water supply, drainage, and a stable electricity supply. Total cost for business. Next, we will talk about the total cost for starting an eggshell powder manufacturing business. It's budget-friendly and ideal for small-scale entrepreneurs, because you can start this business on a small scale from 3.5 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees. This includes the cost of machinery, setting up a small unit, initial raw materials and packaging. Or, if you want to scale up to a medium-sized production unit, the investment may go up to 12 lakh rupees. Overall, this business offers a cost-effective launch with room to scale up based on demand. And it is advisable to begin small, test the market, and gradually expand. Get licenses and permits. So now we will come to the next question. What licenses will you have to take? First, register your business under Udyam MSME registration to avail government benefits and subsidies. Then, to take a GST number, and after this apply for an FSSAI license from the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Next, you will need an NOC or approval from the Pollution Control Board. Additionally, get a factory license from your local municipal authority. Lastly, if you plan to sell your product internationally, get an Import-Export Code or IEC from the Directorate General of Foreign Trade DGFT, which is essential for export operations. Collect raw materials. Now let's talk about the raw material for shell powder production. The primary raw material is eggshell waste, which you can get from poultry farms, egg processing units or bakeries, hotels and restaurants for free or at a low cost. As all food establishments throw the shells in the garbage as waste. So here is a great opportunity for you to collect it and make your shell powder. In addition, you may need food-grade preservatives. if selling for consumption, flavoring agents, and packaging materials. Therefore, building relationships with egg suppliers is key to securing a sustainable raw material flow. Required machines. Next, let's talk about the machines required to start this manufacturing business. For this, first you need a stainless steel eggshell washing machine to clean the shells thoroughly. Next, you need an industrial drying oven or food dehydrator, a heavy-duty powder or grinding machine, and a Wipro sieving machine. Finally, you need a digital weighing machine and an automatic packaging machine. The total setup cost of these machines for small-scale production usually ranges from 2 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees, depending on the capacity and brand. And these machines are widely available through platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, and local industrial equipment suppliers. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process of eggshell powder begins with the collection of raw eggshells from the sources. Then they are washed with a mild food-grade disinfectant. After washing, the shells are boiled at high temperature for 15 to 30 minutes. After cleaning, they are dried completely in direct sunlight or using a commercial drying oven or dehydrator until all moisture is removed. After cooling, you need to grind it into a fine powder using an industrial powder or grinder. The resulting powder is passed through a sieving machine to achieve a uniform particle size based on the target application. Finally, the powder is weighed, packaged in airtight, food-safe containers or bags, and labeled for distribution. Importantly, to ensure the quality and hygiene of the eggshell powder, you need to test the quality of the powder and get a report from all accredited laboratory. Marketing tips. So now let's talk about marketing. First, you need to start by identifying your target segments. There are many companies that use shell powder a lot these days, so you can approach nutritional companies, organic farmers, pet food manufacturers, cosmetic brands, and fertilizer suppliers. Then create a digital presence by listing your product on major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, and Meesho, and set up your own website or Shopify store to sell directly to customers. You can also participate in agricultural exhibitions, pharmaceutical trade shows, and pet industry exhibitions to generate bulk orders. For exports, hire a consultant to help you comply with packaging, labeling, and shipping regulations for buyers in the US, UAE, Canada, Australia, and parts of Europe, where the demand for natural calcium supplements is increasing. Profits from the business. Okay, now let's talk about how much profit you can make from a shell powder. The price of the powder is determined by the quality. If the calcium carbonate content is high, the price will be accordingly higher. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.